is not brother himself. So A comma A not belongs to R. Okay, is it clear? A person not himself a brother. So it is not belongs to R. So it is not reflexive. Now I am going to check symmetry. To check the symmetric, I need one order pair in R. So I am taking one order pair. Let A comma B belongs to R. When I am taking one order pair in A comma B means where this order pair satisfies the relation. Okay, here A is satisfying, A and B satisfying the relation. That means A comma B belongs to already exist in R. How I am taking this order pair already exists in R. Okay, already exist means here A is brother of B. A is brother of. Now I am interchanging order pair B comma A. Is it belongs to R? Is it belongs to R? Oh no. Why? Because suppose A is male and B is female. Maybe no. A comma B are members of the family. We don't know. They are all women or all men or mixed persons. Okay. Suppose A is a male person, B is woman person. Okay. A is male, B is female. A may be brother of B. May be brother. If assume that A is brother. Why I am assuming A is brother of B? Why? Because already I have taken other pair in R. That means definitely A should be male, B should be female. Or B may be male but elder than A. Okay. A is brother of B. Okay. If both are boys, then A is, you can say A is brother of B. If you interchange, B is also brother of A. If both are boys, both are men, then you can say A is brother of B. And by interchanging B and B is brother of A. But this possibility may be arise. What possibility? A, B both may be women. A comma B both may be women. We don't know this family having all women or all men. So A comma B may be both female. If both female, we cannot take A comma B belongs to R. Why? Because both males means one person, female means one woman is not brother of another woman. So already I have taken, to understand, already I have taken order pair in R means A is male and B is also male. A is brother of B. Okay, condition satisfied. If interchange, B is brother of A. If both are male. So one case may arise here. A is male, B is female. A is male, B is female. Now A is brother of B. Okay, correct. When interchange is, B is may not be brother. May not be brother of A. When it is possible, B is may not be brother of A when B is female and A is male. In this case, the order pair you cannot write as that order pair we cannot write as belongs to R. So B comma A belongs not belongs to R. In which case, if B is female, A is male. B female, A is male. So female is not possible to related with as a brother of A. Okay. So in this case only we cannot write. This is also possible no in the family of members. See here, suppose I am changing the set of all set of all family members are males. That time this is symmetric. Both are males. One is brother of B, B is also brother of A. That time it is reflexive. So here this is not reflexive and this is not symmetric also. Okay. Now I am going to change the definition of set. I am going to change the set of all male family members. Set of all male family members. Here. Set of all male family members. Set of all male family members. male family members. Again I am taking same rule. A is brother of B. Now reflexive. Reflexive is not possible. Why? Because a person not possible to as a being as a brother himself. Okay, A comma A not belongs to R. Why? Because as A himself not a brother, not a brother. Okay, it is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Not reflexive. Symmetric. So for the symmetric we need one order pair. So already I am taking one order pair in R, means here we can write A is brother of D. Both are male persons. So we can, by interchanging also we can say B is bro of A. Yes, possible. Why? Because both are males. If A is brother of B, automatically B is brother of A. Now we can make order pair B comma A. It is such B A. B is related with A. Why? Because B is also brother of A. Now we can take it as belongs to R. Now we can take any two members. If you take any two brothers, again they interchange them. You can say for second person again brother of A. So now this relation is symmetric. In previous case, when set of all family members, when you are taking set of all family members, that time it is not symmetric. So here what we can conclude that the relation is not only depending on the rule, it is depending on the set also. Relation is not depending on the only rule. See, rule I didn't change the rule, I changed the set. So relation not only depending on the rule, it is depending on the set also. Now in this case it is symmetric. Let me check transitive. Transitive. For transitive, how many order pairs we require? Two order pairs. I am taking A comma B and B comma C. Belongs to R. Oh, already I have taken two order pairs in R. Already I have taken two order pairs in R, means this order pair satisfying the given rule. That means A is bro of B, and this order pair also belongs to R, means B is bro of C. Okay, A comma B, B comma C, both elements equal. So we can take this order pairs. So here A is brother of B, B is brother of C. If A is brother of B, B is brother of C, can I write A is brother of C? Yes. A is brother of B, B is brother of C. So automatically A is also brother of C. Now you can write A comma C is also belongs to R. Now it is symmetric. Sorry, it is transitive. So this relation is symmetric transitive but not reflexive. For this set. R set of all family members. Okay. Right. One more example. Suppose one more example. I am taking a set S equal to set of all straight lines. Set of all straight lines. Straight lines. So inside we are having all straight lines. Okay. And I am taking one relation on S cross S. Let S equal to, which contains order pair L, L1, L2. I am taking order pair of two straight lines. First straight line I am denoting by L1. Second set I am taking as L2. Second element I am taking as second line L2. Okay. Here we can take this order pair in R when first line is parallel to second line. First line is parallel to second line. Okay. S is what? Set of all straight lines. In S we have all straight lines. And after that we will construct S cross S. S cross S means Cartesian product. From S we will take one line, from another set S we will take one line and make order pairs. You will get a line comma line. Like that we will get a lot of order pairs. From that order pairs we should take few order pairs in relation by using the rule. If that line satisfying the rule, then we can take the order pair. If any two lines are parallel, then take the two lines as a order pair and keep in the relation. You will get one relation. Now I am going to check this relation is symmetric or not, reflexive or not. Okay. Reflexive. For reflexive, L comma L, we should take, first of all, we should take one line. Let I am taking one line from S. We should take from S. We should take one line. Suppose this is one line. I have taken from S, right? A line itself a parallel. Yes, parallel. Line is itself. It is a parallel. Okay. Well, because if you find if same line I am taking here, it is parallel. Why? Because there is no angle between them. Angle is 0 means it is parallel. Okay. So line itself it is a parallel. Line itself it is a parallel. It is a parallel. So L comma L belongs to R. Therefore R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Now symmetric. To prove symmetric, I need one order pair. I am taking L1, L2 in R. I have taken L1, L2 in R means here L1 is parallel to L2. See here, I am taking this L1 and this is L2. These two are parallel. I am interchanging. That means I am taking L2 this side and L1 this side. Yes, parallel again. If L1 parallel to L2, L2 is also parallel to L1. So I can construct order pair L2 comma L1. Is it belongs to R? Yes. So in relation R, we can take any two one order pair. They are parallel. So automatically by interchanging the two lines, they will be parallel. So it is symmetric. Therefore R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Okay. Now let me check transitive condition. Let me check transitive condition for this set. Transitive. Transitive. To prove transitive, we need two order pairs L1, L2. Another one should start with L2 only. L2, L3 belongs to R. Okay. First order pair, if it is L1, L2, second order pair should start with the second element of first order pair, L2, L3. Only that type of order pairs only we can check the transitive condition. Okay. I have taken L1, L2 belongs to R means here you can write L1 is parallel to L2. And here L2, L3 also belongs to R means you can write L2 parallel to L3. L2 parallel to L3. Right. See here. This is suppose this is L1. What I have taken L1, L2 belongs to R means L1 is parallel to L2. This is L2. Again I have taken L2, L3 belongs to R. If L2, L3 belongs to R means L2 is also parallel to L3. L3 is parallel to L3. See L1 parallel to L2, L2 parallel to L3. Automatically L1 parallel to L3. So here we can write that implies L1 is parallel to L3. That implies you will get new order pair L1, L3 is belongs to R. Why? Because these two are parallel. Right? A comma B, B comma C belongs to R. Then A comma C belongs to R. So it satisfies the transitive condition. Now this relation on this set is equivalence relation. Therefore R is equivalence relation. Therefore R satisfied. R satisfying the conditions, satisfying reflexive, symmetric, and transitive conditions. Transitive conditions. So it is that is plus R is equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. It is equivalence relation, right? Right. One more example. Suppose A is 1, 2, right? And let A be a set and R 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. To make R as symmetric. How many order pairs? We have to include. We have to add to the relation R. See, what is the question? This is the relation. Now this is not symmetric. Why? Because 1, 2 is there, 2, 1 is there, not there. So it is not symmetric. To make this relation as symmetric, how many orders we should add here? Okay. Like now I am going to take symmetric condition. What is symmetric condition? If you have order pair in which first element, second element are different. So I am taking, if first element, second element both are same, no need to check symmetric condition. Okay, for this no need of symmetric condition. For this order pair no need of symmetric condition. For this order pair we need symmetric condition. So I am taking 1, 2 belongs to R. That implies 2, 1 not belongs to R. Okay, so if 2, 1 exists in R, so here if 2, 1 belongs to R, then R will be symmetric. So if you include 2, 1, directly you can say it is symmetric. So how many order pairs we have to include? Only one order pair, that is 2, 1. So here write, therefore only one order pair we require. Only one order pair 2, 1 is needed to make R as symmetric. Now I am asking, is it reflexive? Yes, reflexive. Why? Because to show the reflexive, how to show? First take element from A and make order pair with same element. 1, 1 S belongs to R. Take second element 2, 2 belongs to R. So it is reflexive. Transitive. I am taking this order pair and this order pair. I am not taking these two order pairs. We need two order pairs for transitive. So I am taking this order pair, this order pair. Why? Because here second element, first element same. So I am taking 1, 1 belongs to R. Now change, remove 1 and 1, you will get 1, 2. Is it belongs to R in this? Yes, belongs to R. So it is satisfying transitive also. This is transitive, except symmetric. It is reflexive transitive, but not symmetric. Why not symmetric? 1, 2 exists, but 2, 1 not exist. So only one order pair is needed to make R is symmetric. Now only one order pair is the answer. Okay. Right. Right. Based on this, we have more examples. Okay. I will give few examples as a homework. You do that problem. If you have any doubt, we can discuss in next class. Okay. Thank you.